Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you another toy hauler by Northwood Manufacturing. This is the Desert Fox 27FS that's been long awaited for. It finally showed up. One of the best things I like to note about this manufacturer is they were probably one of the last manufacturers that are actually building their own frames. So they're building their products from the frame up, meaning from the ground up. So everything's put where it's supposed to be, tank-wise, axle-wise. They designed it and built it themselves, as well as using plywood in the floors, roof, and structure. And Oregon built here, so a nice local brand for Oregon here. As we look through here, we got the kitchen, solid surface countertops, dual stainless sinks, Moen faucet with a pull-out nozzle, nice cabinetry. We even have a lip up above to store our stuff up top if we want to. Netting above through here. Northwood's very well known for having the skylights with the shade. This particular model has the couch here, table, two nice big non-recliner, I'm sorry, they are a swivel rocker, not a recliner. Big windows, these are the solar glazed windows, and this particular model has the dual pane windows. Northwood uses a dual pane. There's two windows, two pieces of glass, no gas. Therefore, when we get to the high altitudes, we don't have seal separation and have ugly windows after the fact. So they use the right windows. Again, in the cargo area, big windows. This particular model has the opposing dinette or a pass-through out to the patio when it's down, and the bunk model above. Fantastic fans in the ceiling. Has the patio ramp kit with the screen wall, so it's all set up just the right way. Northwood products, Guaranty has been their first dealer since day one, since 1993, and have been very pleased and blessed to have this product and this manufacturer on our side. I'm going to go kind of quick through the features, but just so you can get kind of a detail of what they do versus some of the other guys that don't do. Walk in, and we got a full walk-around bedroom. Queen bed, storage up underneath that's separated from the exterior pass-through. USB and 110 plug-ins on both sides of the bed. Everything's LED lights. They put the fantastic fan in the bedroom. Therefore, if we want whisper quiet and pass-through ventilation at nighttime, we can do that without turning the air conditioner on. We can just open a window, turn on the fantastic fan above. We have the remote switch that's right next to the bed. Nice deep cabinetry here. This particular unit, all of the units are pre-wired for satellite ready and for a TV in the bedroom as well. When we go through and look at the bathroom, porcelain toilet, cabinets, very tall ceiling with skylight, nice big tub shower. It's got the big refrigerator. We got a nice deep pantries beside that are very, very deep, as you can see. This one's got the upgraded stereo, dual pane windows. It's got solar, power awning. We go outside, it's got the new aluminum step, the large assist grab handle. This one has the Goodyear 235/80/16 big tires, sun glazed windows. Another thing that these guys do is standard feature that I don't see in anybody else. The exterior door lighting and scare lighting out the back are motion sensors, as well as can be left on in mode all the time. Has the big ramp patio again, like I showed you from the inside out, but it comes out to make an 8-foot deck out the back. Ladder's always with you. unpins, pulls out, easy access. Has the fueling station, the pump station. Again, you see the solar reflective glass on this side. These guys actually put in 2 water pumps. You have one for the exterior connect and one for your interior. Therefore, she's taking a shower, I'm washing my toy. I'm not robbing power from one or the other. We both have our own water pump working our systems, as well as having the onboard air compressor. It's a nice feature. And then we just have a cold water washport here with our water heater here, outside shower, black tank flush, 4,000 watt generator. This does have the side solar for the A-frame hookup. If I want to put the A-frame with the, no, they usually come with about a 20-foot cord, but if I want to put my solar out, because my roof solar is being blocked by the trees or whatnot, I can put my panels out here as a portable plug into here that's connected directly to the batteries and keep our batteries charged that way too without having to run the generator. Large 7-gallon propane tanks with a nice black cover and a nice big heavy duty 4,000 pound capacity Atwood jack on the front end. The toy lock. It's got about a 15-foot cable that pulls out to wrap around our toys so we don't have to worry about them getting stolen. Our rock resistant diamond plate up front. Nice big storage that goes about 2/3 across. The magnetic holders that hold the doors open. Nice big 1-inch thick baggage doors. They bead their lower trim panels down below, so it's much more solid than what you see in a lot of the others that are just flat. It just adds to the strength, as well as having a nice enclosed, everything that Northwood makes in their toy haulers is going to have a sealed enclosed underbelly. When you look underneath a Northwood product and look under maybe some other products, you're going to notice that they take time to do it and make it look nice and have a nice seal in comparison to a lot of others. And then when we step back and look at the roof, we got crown both directions, so we don't have water puddling up on the roof, as well as easy snow runoff and easy rain runoff. The large power awning, that's a 6-way adjustable pitch awning that lets the water run off one end or the other if it's pouring down rain. Is a nice feature, especially here in Oregon. The outside speaker system, you know, and a lot of other features. I just don't have the time today to go through it all, but if you'd like some more information or finer details on the Northwood product, feel free to give me a call. My name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. I've been here about 15 years now, so very in tune with this product and be glad to help if I can. Thank you and have a great day.